Now I will introduce how to use our flu detection application. As we can see, the icon is on the home screen here. We just launched this application by clicking it. And now we enter our application homepage. We offer the user 3 methods to log in. The first one is to log in with the Twitter account, and the application will ask the Twitter user for permission to run on the user's mobile devices. And the other one is to log in by receiving the verification number of the text message each time via the user's mobile phone. As we can see here, the authorization page is like this, and the user's mobile phone number will be required. And the last one is that the users can just skip the login procedure, and it will be directly directed into the option page. Well, in our demo, we prefer using the Twitter account to log in. Now we enter the authorization page. Here we enter the email address. And now we enter the password. Then we authorize this application. And now we are directed into the option page. In this application's option page, we can notice that there are several query input boxes: the topic, the date, the location, the searching radius, and the searching results items. Now we are going to test the detection map. For our testing, we just choose 3 groups of testing input data randomly. Well, in the first group of the data, in the topic we enter flu, and for the date we input June for testing. And for the location, which is the center point of the searching circle, we use the default value, which is the current location for our testing. And for the searching radius, we set as 2,000 miles. And for the result listed, we also set as 2,000 atoms. After we input, we start searching tweets. Well, as we can see, the list of tweets will be listed out on the screen. The content of the tweets listed is associated with what the topic the users have entered. For example, if we entered flu, a list of tweets containing the word flu will be listed out. Then we check the data and time. That's alright. And next, we tap the Google map here to see how the flu disease outbreak distributed. In this map, we can move around, we can zoom in, we can zoom out. Then we come back. If we want to see the strength of the disease in different areas, we can click the heat map. Zoom in. Now we can see the strength of the disease in different areas, and we can learn about the density and the strength of the disease in different areas. Well, here we should note one problem is that the markers shown on the map may not be as much as the tweets listed. That's because some users don't turn on the geolocation functionality. It will cause the pin overlap on the map, thus making the markers displayed on the map are not as many as the ones in the tweets listed. Also, we should note is that the Google map is associated with the location and the searching radius, as well as the results information. But however, for the heat map, it's only related with the date information the users have input. Well, next we choose the second testing data to test. We come back. We enter swine flu for our test. And we use the default date for our testing. For the location, we input Fairfax, which is the center point of our searching areas. And for the searching radius, we set as 10,000 miles. And the results listed items we set as 1,000. Now we start searching the tweets. The tweets has already been listed out. Here, let's check. The tweets which containing the swine flu are listed out. That's alright. And now let's see the Google map to see how the markers are distributed on the map. We can move around, zoom in and zoom out. Come back and we see how the density is on the heat map. Then we come back. Then we use our third testing data. For the topic, we use H1N1. And we still use the default date for our testing. And the location is also the default value, which is the current location as our searching area center point. And the search radius, we also set the default value, and the results listed is also for the default value 100. And now we begin searching the tweets. Well, here as we can see, the keywords H1N1 are all contained in the tweets. And let's check the time, date, is all displayed red. And now let's see how the disease distributed on the Google map. They are all displayed red. And now let's see the heat map. So as we mentioned before, the heat map is only related with the data information the users input. So it's not related with the location and the searching radius and the searching results information the users have input. So the heat map, what the heat map has displayed is worldwide in the US. Well, that's almost of our teamwork we have done for this project. And thank you all for watching our demonstration. There are still some problems in our application, but we will try improving this later. Thank you very much.